Good morning, all my little YouTubers out there. How you all doing? And if you're in the good old US of A, happy Thanksgiving. We don't have that sort of stuff over there, and I hate turkey. So there you go. Right, something a bit different today. I'm going to try and make a ring out of this. This obviously is going to come out, the whole of it. I'll try and make a ring out of the edge. And if this works, I might even try and make a ring out of the centerpiece tomorrow. I don't know. It looks big enough. So first of all, we're going to knock this out. And I think the best way to do that would probably be, let's try Big Red first. There's no hole in it yet. I shouldn't have to do one, I don't think. I should be able to punch this out. Just like that. Okay. Yeah, okay. So this is the centre that came out of it. That might make a nice ring if I can do it. This is part. So let's heat it up. There's some fire. It was a big family day for you guys. That is my I'll start again, please. Right. Anything to grip this would be really handy. I'll have to go and get... Oh, look at this. Found them. Jesus wept. My life is total chaos. I suppose that's why you guys watch this channel. Right, here we go again. Sorry about that, folks. Hey man, I'm just up. I haven't even had a cup of tea yet. Okay, that is good. Right, what side are we going to go sunny side up with? I quite like that. No, we'll have the Italy bit in a minute. We'll have this on the sunny side of the ring, I think. Yeah, let's do that. So that can go. We just have to fold it. I've got a little bit of work to do on there, I believe. I might have to get the deburring tool on it after I've made it into the ring. Let's go over to Spike. He takes no prisoners, this guy. Right. Yeah, it's like a day is down the market, on the Christmas market. More people looking to blaze, so it should be good. On Saturday. This is going to be a big ring, as you may well have guessed. And a thin banded ring. Hey Craig, when are you getting back to me, man? About this 50p sketch you want me to try. I mean, I think it would be best in 3 separate videos. Otherwise, you're going to have an hour long video. I could do 1 different size punch each day, and then on the 3rd video, when I use the larger punch, I could then get out the other 2 coins, and we could compare them like that. Otherwise, people might get a bit sick of an hour-long video. But what do you think? You suggested it. I'll do whatever you want me to do. You want an hour-long video? 3 coins in one video, I'll do it for you. I'm just thinking people might get a bit, oh God, an hour. 20 minutes is long enough, you know. But have a think, man. Hope you all have a great Thanksgiving. Time for family and stuff over there, isn't it? I ain't got no family left. My dad died about 350 years ago. My mum died about 7 or 8 years ago, I guess. I'm all by myself. I didn't have a good family upbringing. I mean, you can choose your friends, but you can't choose your family. My mum was a right bitch. Used to whip me, lock me in the cellar, turn the lights out in the big Victorian house. That's another story. But when you're a little kid, I mean, you think that's normal. Everybody goes through that, but obviously not. Right, let's see if we can straighten these walls up. This coin is this ring is very, very thin band. Let's try and get it. Oh yeah, went a little bit. Maybe a touch more. So bear, save me a bit of turkey, man. There you go. Maybe I should go a bit the other way. Let's look with my beady eye. Oh, that's pretty good. Let's grab Sandy on it. It's a bit rough where the it's come out good though. I did do a Turkish ring similar to this sort of sketch. You know, have to knock out the middle bit. But I didn't have to use Big Bertha at all. She's going to be upset. She's probably dripping all over the place now. Angry. You didn't use me today, did you? No, I didn't. So if you're looking for a coin ring or do custom work, you can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. All the rings in there, I can adjust the size up or down for you. You can send me your own coins, you know the score. Right. Oh, look at that. It's a bit tight. It worked. Right, let's break out Sandy. And show this puppy some love. I'm giving this the Edwin look. I mean, I personally like the Edwin look. But if you like this polished up, the thing with the Edwin look is you can see the detail instantly, you know. Plus I'm scared of shiny things. All my rings are sealed with a clear coat. It doesn't last forever. I mean, it wears off. You can always give it a thin coat of nail varnish, clear nail varnish. Well, this is a short video. There you go, folks. The Edwin look Italiano. That's why I use a kitchen roll. You've got all the text in there. This one says, what's it say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stars. This one says, there's a little red button on the bottom right hand side of the video. Hit that and you're automatically subscribed. Hit the like button, and on this side it says just hit all the buttons, come on, stop mucking around. What size we got? I've got a thick head, you know, blocked up for days and days. That's nearly, well it's not, it's 69. 69 3/4, nearly 70. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Have a great Thanksgiving and all that sort of stuff. And I'll catch you tomorrow. Take it easy. Bye-bye.